How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Bybit mobile application. Then tap on the wallet's icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, among the given options, tap on the withdraw option and here use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you have found Tether USDT, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this withdraw page. Over here it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet and here tap on the receive option. This is basically your QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy it from here, then go back to Bybit, paste the address in the section. Then in the network, you need to make sure that the Ton network is selected. After that, if it asks for tags, you just have to simply remove that or do not enter anything in that, because for Tonkeeper you don't need to actually have the tag. Next, in the amount section, enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw from Bybit and send it to Tonkeeper. After filling this form, you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything looks correct, you just have to simply confirm your transaction. After the successful completion of your transaction, you will receive your USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet from Bybit. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.